hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. Today in this session, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions from Introduction to Trigonometry. Let's start with the first one. If 2 cos theta is equal to 1. If 2 cos theta is equal to 1. And theta is an acute angle. What do you mean by acute angle? It will be less than 90 degree. Then the value of theta is. See these two multiples and other side. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. To solve any MCQ in this introduction to trigonometry, you need minimum basics such as trigonometric ratios, ratio table, complementary angles and all the identities from trigonometry. Suppose if you need one more time explanation of all these formulae, just go to the description box. I am going to provide you 2 videos. In that 2 videos, you can see all the formulae of class 10 mathematics. So just go to trigonometry formulae and then understand, then come back to this video. Okay, let's begin here. Cos theta 1 by 2. In trigonometric ratio table, do you remember where we get 1 by 2? Yes, it is cos 60 degree. Cos theta is equal to cos 60 degree. Therefore, what is theta value? 60 degree. Okay, so which option is right option? Option D, 60. Second one, the value of tan square 60 is. Tan 60 value is how much? Tan 60 value is root 3. Root 3 whole square, tan square 60 or tan 60 whole square you can write. That is root 3 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. 3 is your answer. And your option is option D, 3. Third one, 1 plus tan square 60 degree whole square is equal to 1 plus tan square 60 degree whole square. What is tan square 60 degree? You can see here, that is 3. 1 plus 3 whole square, 4 whole square. 4 4s are 16. Check the option. Yes, you have the option. Option C, 16 is your answer. Fourth one. If 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. If 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. We need to find sin theta. What is the value of sin theta? Understand here, you can remember an identity. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. So instead of 1 minus cos square theta, I will write it as sin square theta is equal to 3 by 4. Remove square, apply other side square root. Sin theta is equal to square root of 3 by 4. Split the root. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by root 4 value is 2. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Check the option, is it there? Yes. Option A, root 3 by 2 is your answer. Fifth one, the value of tan theta cot theta is. Tan theta, cot theta. What is the relation between them? Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So write cot theta as 1 by tan theta. Tan theta will be cancelled and your answer is 1. Check the option. Which option is right answer? Option B, 1. Sixth one. If tan x is equal to 7 by 24, then what is cot x? Tan x given, they have asked us cot x. Cot x is nothing but reverse of tan x. That is 1 by 7 by 24, or directly you can say 24 by 7. Cot x is nothing but 1 by tan theta. No need of writing this 1 by tan theta. Directly you can do the reciprocal of the given fraction. 7 by 24 given. You can say 24 by 7 is your answer. Check the option which is your right answer. Option D. Option D, 24 by 7. Seventh one, if secant theta plus 36 degree is equal to cosecant theta. This is one of the important multiple choice. Observe carefully. Secant theta plus 36 given and cosecant theta given. How can I equate these two? Better let me change cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but secant 90 degree minus theta. And write this one secant theta plus 36 degree. So both are secant. You can equate these. Theta plus 36 degree is equal to 90 degree minus theta. Theta bring this side, minus theta it becomes plus theta. Theta plus theta is equal to 90 degree minus 36 degree. Plus 36 if it goes to this side, minus 36. Theta plus theta will be 2 theta is equal to, what is 90 degree minus 36? It will be 54 degree. Send this to other side. Divide by 2. 2 27s are. Therefore, theta value is 27 degree. Check your option here. Which is your right option? Option D, 27 degree. Coming to your 8th question. If 3x is equal to secant theta. 3 by x is equal to tan theta. You need to find x square minus 1 by x square is equal to how much? Observe the question carefully. I need x and I need 1 by x here. So, for that sake, just send this 3 this side. X is equal to secant theta by 3. In this 3 by x, just see carefully. I just write this one as 1 by x is equal to 3. Bring this side. Tan theta by 3. I got x value and I got 1 by x value. I can write it as x square minus 1 by x square. This one you can rewrite it as x square minus 1 by x whole square. A square minus b square format it is there. So x value is secant theta by 3 whole square minus 1 by x value is tan theta by 3 whole square. Do whole square. Secant square theta by 3 3s are 9 minus tan square theta by 3 3s are 9. Do LCM. Secant square theta minus tan square theta by 9. And you know by identity, what is secant square theta minus tan square theta? It is 1. And you will get final answer 1 by 9. Check your option. Which is your right answer? Option C, 1 by 9. Finally, what is x square minus 1 by x square value? It is 1 by 9. Check the option which is right. Option C, 1 by 9 is the correct answer. Ninth one. The value of sine square 60 minus sine square 30 degree is sine square 60 minus sine square 30 degree. Sine square 60 minus sine square 30. Substitute the value. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus, what is sine 30 value? It is 1 by 2 whole square. Root 3 whole square is 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus 1 by 4. Do LCM. 3 minus 1, that will be 2 by 4. If you cancel, you are going to get 1 by 2 is your answer. Check the option which is right answer here. Option B, 1 by 2. Let's see the 10th one. Given secant 2a, if secant 2a is equal to cosecant A minus 27 degree, where 2A is an acute angle, then the measure of angle A is, okay, 2A is an acute angle. So, secant to A, how can you write? Do you remember complementary angles? Secant, cosecant. Instead of secant to A, I write it as cosecant 90 degree minus 2A. This one as it is cosecant A minus 27 degree. So both are equal. You can equate these. 90 degree minus 2A is equal to A minus 27 degree. Now this 2A send other side and this minus 27 bring this side. 90 degree plus 27 degree is equal to A plus 2A. 90 plus 27, it will be 117 degree is equal to 3A. Bring this 3 this side. 117 degree by 3 is equal to A. Try to cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Therefore, A is equal to 39 degree. What is angle A? Angle A is equal to 39 degree and your answer is option C, 39 degree. 11th question. Given that sin theta is equal to A by B, then tan theta is equal to, what is tan theta is your question. Suppose if I take a right angle triangle here, if the theta is here, sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Let us mark this A, B, C. First, we need to calculate adjacent by using Pythagoras theorem. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We need BC. Rewrite the formula. BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. And remove the square. Apply other side square root. AC value is B square. AB value is A. BC is equal to square root of B square minus A square. Right here, adjacent value is square root of B square minus A square. Now, what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Now, write it here, opposite AB, adjacent BC. AB value is A and adjacent value is square root of B square minus A square. Observe in your option, if you have here plus or minus, you can select that option also. If plus or minus not given, simply you can take A by square root of B square minus A square. Check which option is right answer here. Option D, A by square root of B square minus A square. Twelfth problem. If sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Then value of 2 tan theta plus cos square theta is equal to question mark. Now we need to find 2 tan theta plus cos square theta. Observe here, sin theta is equal to cos theta given. I know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Observe here carefully. Sin theta equal to cos theta. Substitute cos theta by cos theta. 1. Tan theta 1. Where you get 1 in trigonometric ratio table? Tan 45 degrees. That means I can say theta is equal to 45 degree. By using sin theta equal to cos theta, I found theta. How? Sin theta equal to cos theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. If we substitute, we are going to get 1. 1 is nothing but tan 45 theta is equal to 45 degree. Using that theta, I am going to find this. 2 tan 45 degree. Tan 45 value is 1. 2 into 1 plus cos square 45. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. Square means whole square. Okay? Square means whole square. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 ones are 1. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. Do LCM. 2 twos are 4 plus 1. That will be 5 by 2 is your answer. Check, is this option there? Yes, your option is C, 5 by 2. 13th one. If cosecant theta is equal to 2. If cosecant theta is equal to 2 and cot theta is equal to root 3p, where theta is an acute angle, then find the value of p. Observe here, if you know cosecant theta and cot theta, I remember an identity. That is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. When your theta is acute. So, cosecant theta value is 2. 2 whole square minus cot theta value is root 3p whole square is equal to 1. 2 twos are 4. Root 3p whole square is 3p square is equal to 1. Send this minus 3p square other side. 3p square. 1 bring this side. 4 minus 1 will be 3. P square is equal to 3 by 3. 3 ones cancel. P square is equal to 1. P is equal to plus or minus 1. So P value is only 1. So your answer is option B, 1. 14th question. The maximum value of sine theta is, in trigonometric ratio table, you can remember first row children. What it is? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. What is the maximum number it is? 1. Therefore, your option is option C, 1. 15th one. If tan theta is equal to 7 by 8, then what is the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Look this one carefully. Tan theta is equal to 7 by 8. I am not going to split anything. But this one, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You can remember an identity. What it is? A plus b into a minus b. That equal to a square minus b square. A value is 1, b value is sine theta. A square, 1 square is 1 minus b square sine square theta whole divided by, you can see again a plus b, a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That will be 1 minus cos square theta. Again I can remember an identity. 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. Right? Cos theta by sine theta whole square you can write. This is having a square and this is having a square. You can write whole square. What is cos theta by sine theta? It is cot theta. Cot theta whole square. You know tan theta. Tan theta is 7 by 8. Cot theta will be reverse of the tan theta. That will be 8 by 7 whole square. 8 8s are 64. 7 7s are 49. Therefore, what is the value of this? 64 by 49. Check the option. Which option is right answer here? Your option is option C, 64 by 49. 16th one. If 5 tan theta is equal to 4, what is the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta? 5 tan theta is equal to 4 given. So how can I proceed this one? Okay, let me take a right triangle here. Observe carefully, right angle, and yeah, theta is here. In order to solve this, I have taken a right triangle and it is right angled at B and theta is acute there. So here 5 tan theta is equal to 4. Send this 5 other side, it will be divided. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. What is tan theta ratio? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is 4. Adjacent value is 5. Okay, find now hypotenuse. After finding hypotenuse, you can find sin theta, cos theta. Okay, apply Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB value is 4, 4 4s are 16, and BC value is 5, 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 16 it will be 5 plus 6 11, 4 5 51. AC square is equal to 51. AC is equal to square root of 51. AC is equal to square root of 51. That means hypotenuse value is square root of 51. Now whatever you need in this question, substitution in sin theta you want. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to 4 by square root of 51 and cos theta is equal to 5 by square root of 51. Substitute in this. 5 into sin theta value is 4 by square root of 51 minus 3 into cos theta value is 5 by square root of 51 whole divided by 5 into sin theta value is 4 by square root of 51 plus 3 into cos theta 5 by square root of 51. 5 4s are 20 by square root of 51 minus 5 3s are 15 by square root of 51 whole divided by, again same manner you are going to get 20 by square root of 51 plus 15 by square root of 51. Do LCM. What you are going to get? 20 minus 15 by square root 51 by 20 plus 15 by square root 51. This one will be cancelled. 20 minus 15 will be 5. 20 plus 15 will be 35. 5 1s are 5 7s are 35. Therefore, what is your final answer? 1 by 7. Check your option. Which option is right? Option C. 1 by 7 is the right answer. Let's see the 17th problem. If 5 tan theta is equal to 12, then 13 sin theta by 3 is. 5 tan theta is equal to 12. What is 13 sin theta by 3 is your question. Okay. So this 5 send other side. Tan theta is equal to 12 by 5. Again I need sin theta. So for that purpose again take a right triangle and your angle is here. A, B, C. Let us take tan theta 12 by 5. Tan ratio opposite by adjacent. Opposite 12, adjacent 5. Find the hypotenuse there. Find hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem formula. That is AC square or AC is equal to square root of AB square. 12 12s are 144 plus BC square 5 5s are 25. 144 plus 25 will be 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Now we need to find sin theta and then substitute in this. Okay. 13 into sin theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. 12 by 13 by 3. Okay. This 13 and this 13 will be cancelled. You are left with 12 by 3. That means 3 4s are 12. Therefore, 13 sin theta by 3 value is 4. Check the option. Which is your right answer? Option B. Option B, 4 is your right answer. 18th one. The value of 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is. What is the value of 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree? We know by trigonometric ratio table tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Substitute here. 2 into 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. This one will be 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. 2 by root 3 whole divided by, do the LCM, 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 into, bring this up, that means do the reciprocal, it will be 3 by 4. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 3, if you bring to the numerator, you need to do the reciprocal and multiply. Root 3 times it will be cancelled. 2 ones, 2 twos are 4. That means root 3 by 2 is your answer. How it will be cancelled, children? 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 if you cancel, another root 3 will be left. Therefore, your answer is root 3 by 2. Check the answer. Do you have root 3 by 2? No, you don't have any root 3 by 2. But you have sine 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree value? Root 3 by 2. Yes, your answer is option A, sine 60 degrees. If you want, you can check other options also, children. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, these are all not the answers for root 3 by 2. Therefore, your answer is sine 60 degrees. 19th one, if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle, then tan A plus B by 2 is equal to, I think you can remember this is your textbook version. If A, B, C are interior angles, I think you remember this one. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. We need by 2. So whole divided by 2. 90 degree. Then split this one. A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. And here C by 2 send other side. 90 degree minus C by 2. And tan A plus B by 2. Multiply tan for this. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 degree minus C by 2. What is tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. So this one I can write it as cot C by 2. Check the option. Do you have cot C by 2? Yes, that is your right answer. Option C, cot C by 2. 20th question. If sine x minus 20 degree is equal to cos 3x minus 10 degree, then what is x is your question. Sine x minus 20 degree is equal to cos 3x minus 10 degree. This one I can rewrite it as cos 90 minus of x minus 20 degree. Okay, is equal to cos 3x minus 10 degree. Now equate only this. 90 degree minus x plus 20 degree is equal to 3x minus 10. Send this x other side, minus x other side. It will be plus x, 4x. 90 plus 20, 110. And this minus 10 if it comes this side, plus 10. That will be 120 degree. Okay. This 4 multiple send this side. 120 degree by 4 is equal to x, 30 degree. Therefore, your x value is 30 degree. Okay, it's very simple to find. What is your x means? Use the complementary angle and then equate these values. You are going to get the x value. Your option is option B, 30 degree. Okay, 21st problem. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at C, if tan A is equal to 8 by 15, find the value of cosecant square A minus 1. Look here, I can remember an identity. Cosecant square A minus 1 will be cot square A. Cot square A. I know tan A. So cot A is nothing but, look here, tan A is 8 by 15. Cot A will be reciprocal of this, that is 15 by 8. Substitute now. Cot square A means 15 by 8 whole square. 15 15s are 225 by 8 8s are 64. Therefore, cosecant square A minus 1 value is 225 by 64. Check the option. Which is right answer? Option B, 225 by 64. 22nd question. If tan x is equal to sin 45 degree cos 45 degree plus sin 30 degree, then what is x is your question. So you can see here sin 45, cos 45, sin 30. You know values of these. Let us substitute them. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree it will be 1 by 2. Multiply 1 into 1 1. Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. Plus 1 by 2. Do the LCM. 1 plus 1 that will be 2 by 2 1. Tan x is equal to 1. Where you get in tan ratio 1? Tan 45 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 45 degree. So, check the answer here. Option A, 45 degree. 23rd one. Maximum value of 1 by secant theta. What is 1 by secant theta, children? Cos theta. 1 by secant theta is nothing but cos theta. Maximum value of 1 by secant theta. 1 by secant theta is nothing but cos theta. 0 degree is less than or equal to theta, less than or equal to 90 degree. Then what is the maximum value? In cos theta ratio table, what is the maximum value you can see? 1. See the option here? Option A, 1 is your answer. 24th one. If ABC is a right angled triangle and right angled at B. Let me draw a right angled triangle. Right angled at B. Okay. And they have given here AC is equal to 17 centimeters. BC is equal to 8 centimeters. A, B, C. AC is equal to 17 centimeters. BC is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay. Then what is 15 secant A plus 8 cot A is your question. Apply Pythagoras theorem formula. Apply Pythagoras formula and find the missing side. 17 17s are 289. 8 8s are 64. Subtract these two. It will be 225. What is 225 square root? 15. AB value is 15 centimeters. Using Pythagoras theorem, what you can get? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And when you need AB square, in hypotenuse square, you can subtract the square. That is 17 17s are 289, 8 8s are 64. 289 minus 64 will be 225. Square root of 225 is 15. Now we need to find secant A and cot A. Observe here, your angle is here. Okay. For this angle, this will be opposite, this will be adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. That means 15 into secant A. What do you remember? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. 17 by 15 plus 8 into cot A, adjacent by opposite. For angle A, adjacent is this, opposite is this. That means 15 by 8. 8 8 cancel, 15 15 cancel, and you are left with 17 plus 15. 32 is your answer. Check the answers here. Option B, 32. 25th one. If sin square A is equal to 1 by 2. Tan square 45 degree. Where A is acute angle, then what is the value of A is your question. Sin square A is equal to 1 by 2 into tan square 45 degree. We know tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. Tan square 45 degree means 1 square. It will be 1 only. Sin square A is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. 1 square is 1. 1 by 2 into 1 will be 1 by 2. Sin square A is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A is equal to square root of 1 by 2. This square is under the side, square root. Sin A is equal to square root of 1 will be 1, square root of 2 will be square root of 2. In sine trigonometric ratio table, where you get 1 by root 2? Yes, 45 degree. That means sine A is equal to sine 45 degree. Therefore, A is equal to 45 degrees is your answer. Check the options here. Option B, 45 degree is your correct answer. 26th one, the value of cos square 17 degree. The value of cos square 17 degree minus sine square 73 degree. We know complementary angles. Accordingly, I am going to change. Cos square 17 degree, I can rewrite it as sine square 73 degree minus sine square 73 degrees. What happens? It will be cancelled. 0 is your answer. Okay. So, see the answer here. Which one is right answer? Option C, 0. 27th one, if A is equal to 30 degree, then sine 2A is equal to, A is 30 degree, 30 into 2, 60 degree. Sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. That's it. Where is root 3 by 2 here? Option B, root 3 by 2. Very simple, these are all. 28th one, the value of sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. Sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. Sine 45 degree value 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree value 1 by root 2. Do LCM here. Root 2, 1 plus 1, 2 by root 2. Root 2 times will be cancelled. That will be root 2. Check your answer here. Option B, root 2. 29th question. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta value is, look here, you can see an identity, A plus B into A minus B. That will be A square minus B square. That is 1 minus cos square theta. Again, you know from an identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is 1 minus cos square theta? That is sin square theta. Check your option here. Option A, sin square theta is the correct answer. Let's see the last problem, 30th problem here. If sin A cos A into tan A plus cos A into sin A into cot A is equal to dash. Okay, let us see here carefully. Sin A, cos A I cannot change, but tan A I can rewrite it as sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Cos A cancel. Plus cos A into sin A into cot A. You can rewrite it as cos A by sin A. Sin A cancel. Now multiply this one. Sin A into sin A will be sin square A. Cos A into cos A will be cos square A. We know by the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is also equal to 1. But we have to see in the options either 1 given or as it is given. Let's see here. They are not given 1. Therefore, we go with option C, sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A. In Introduction to Trigonometry, there is no end for your multiple choice questions. I have done only 30 questions from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. I have collected 50 questions and this question paper link I am going to provide in the description. Okay, you can download and you can try all the answers carefully, and don't forget to text in your comment box all the answers along with options. In Telegram also I am going to provide this link. Okay, with this I am going to end my session. In our next session we are going to continue with another new chapter. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.